How to fix Dragon Ball Legends error code cr901001. So if you want to fix Dragon Ball Legends error code cr901001, then essentially this error arises when a player attempts to initiate the game on their mobile device. Upon logging into the game, an exception is thrown, presenting a message indicating a communication error has occurred despite attempts by numerous players to rectify the issue through methods such as restarting the game or reinstalling it. These approaches have proven ineffective. So here's how you can address it. You need to check the server status. Open up your browser and search for Dragon Ball server state. Go with down detector. If there's no issue found in the server, then follow the next method, which is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. This error often occurs due to network related issues. So make sure you're connected to a strong internet or related Wi-Fi or your mobile connection. After that, you can restart the Dragon Ball Legends app. You need to remove the app completely and then reinstall or reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve your problems. After that, you can check for updates. You can open up your Play Store and then go with Dragon Ball Legends. And if you have any updates on your Dragon Ball Legends, you just need simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can also just simply go and clear the cache and data of your Dragon Ball Legends on your Android device as well. Sometimes corrected cache files can cause this issue. If none of the above steps fixed your problem, then you can try uninstalling the application and then reinstall it from your Play Store. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.